Apple Vision Pro is a powerful and versatile headset that is sure to change the way we interact with technology. It features a number of innovative features that make it a truly immersive experience. One of the most impressive features of Apple Vision Pro is its ultra-high-resolution displays. The headset features two 4K micro OLED displays with a combined resolution of 23 million pixels. This provides a crisp and immersive viewing experience that is unlike anything else on the market. Another key feature of Apple Vision Pro is its advanced eye tracking system. This system allows users to interact with content using their eyes. For example, users can control the cursor, select objects, and navigate through menus simply by looking at them. This makes it possible for users to interact with content in a more natural and intuitive way. Apple Vision Pro also features spatial audio that creates the feeling that sounds are coming from all around you. This makes it feel like you are actually in the environment that you are viewing. This feature is especially impressive when used in conjunction with the headset's ultra-high-resolution displays. In addition to these features, Apple Vision Pro also features a number of other innovative features, such as a 3D camera, hand tracking, and face tracking. These features make it possible for users to interact with content in a more immersive and natural way. Overall, Apple Vision Pro is a powerful and versatile headset that has the potential to change the way we interact with technology. It is a must-have for anyone who is interested in augmented reality and virtual reality. Here are some of the specific benefits of Apple Vision Pro's features. Ultra-high-resolution displays. These displays provide a crisp and immersive viewing experience that is unlike anything else on the market. This can be beneficial for a variety of tasks, such as gaming, productivity, and entertainment. Advanced eye tracking. This system allows users to interact with content using their eyes. This can be more natural and intuitive than using traditional input methods, such as a keyboard or mouse. Spatial audio. This feature creates the feeling that sounds are coming from all around you. This can make content feel more immersive and realistic. Apple M2 chip. This chip provides powerful performance for both augmented reality and virtual reality applications. This means that users can enjoy smooth and seamless experiences with Apple Vision Pro. R1 chip. This chip is specifically designed for augmented reality and virtual reality applications. This helps to optimize the performance of the headset and provide a smooth and seamless experience. 3D camera. This camera can be used to capture spatial photos and videos. This can be used to create immersive experiences or to share memories with others. Hand tracking. This feature allows users to interact with content using their hands. This can be used to control objects, gesture, and type. Face tracking. This feature allows the headset to track the user's face and adjust the viewing experience accordingly. This can be used to improve the immersion of augmented reality and virtual reality experiences.